If you want to look 10 years younger, this color technique formula, my friend, is for you. I will be utilizing the Goldwell Tap Chic. Yes, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, retired now, and I share with you all the tricks and tips that I have gathering around the 40 plus year of my career. So I will give you this wonderful, magical technique that not only preserve the shine of your hair and hair longevity, it will also give the impression that you just had a highlight. Now, this is for someone who has white hair like me, maybe 55% of white hair and then the rest is gray. I do have lots of white in here on the front, but I just did my color. So you won't see, you're only going to see the result. And then a little bit of gray in the back, especially at the neck right here. But I'm going to show you this technique. This technique is just the magic that would make you look 10 years younger, my friend. I promise you, you are going to love it. Now, you do not have to use Goldwell. You can utilize L'Oreal. L'Oreal is a very good color, reputable color formula as well. And I will link some similarity below for you so you can recreate what you want. But please, my friend, follow the technique, okay? Don't go anywhere and watch and follow me. So, the most important thing, my friend, when doing a color touch-up is really not touching the end and not touching anything other than the root. So this color technique is, I'm utilizing Goldwell Tap Chic, and I'm licensed professional retired now, but you can utilize L'Oreal, and this will recreate some similar color. So, and here I have the 8GB. The G stand for gold and the B stand for beige, okay? I have the 9G to pick up some gold because my hair has lost lots of gold, it's white. And I have a level 9G. This is going to intensify the color, but still keep it long lasting and natural. And the 9GB, I will put just a little bit of each. And since this is a 20 volume peroxide, but I'm going to lower the volume by utilizing this serum. Anytime you have a color formula that you put anything adding to the formula, it actually lower the peroxide, okay? But this, what this does is not just, it's a leave-in treatment, it locks in the color, but also seal the cuticle of your hair, leaving your hair very shiny. So follow me with this color technique, as it will enhance and make you look 10 years younger. First, I will mix the color to make sure it's even. And yes, it is time to do our eyebrow. So I'd like to use the exact color that I use for my hair. 10 touch-up. And now I'm going to show you, look at the mixing, is very nice. So, and this technique is utilizing the color only where you want. I will start at the front and use the 8G at the front. So the front is a little bit darker,
And behind the ear, this is where I have the most gray. So I will be really saturated color around the hairline and here, and then at the back, because at the very back of the neck my hair is gray. So now instead to do the parting, I will only touch up what needs to be touched up and very fast. So to give this dimension, I'm not going to do everything everywhere, only what I want to emphasize. So this gives you a really beautiful color dimension. You're only touching what you want. Since I do put my hair up, I'm going to put a little bit in here, saturate in here, one more in here to touch the gray, and this is with a level 8 that I want the root to be a little bit darker. Now I'm going to utilize the tip of my finger to distribute all the color onto the root and massage underneath, but not touching the length of my hair. This is only what, just a little bit to massage to even the color. This is going to give you, my friend, a beautiful, beautiful dimension color. So you would want to leave it on for about, I'm going to leave it on for 35 minutes and keep brushing in here. This is the color, and this is the finishing touch-up, my friend. Look at the color. So you see
now,
the root
this is the
a little bit
of
darker than the length.
You can see the
and
dark.
that is the 8G from the frontal to the back.
And you can
but
see
we did not touch the length.
like
so the length, it looks like you just had highlight.
And this is
you see, you didn't touch the length. So the length, it stays the same. And this highlight, my friend, are my white hair mixing with my gray. I hope you like this technique and you will use to your best advantage to make you look like you're 10 years younger, my friend. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching what I'm going to be wearing for Christmas. This video has inspired you. Please share it in the comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like if you like this video, and please subscribe so you can watch more video from me in the future. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and happy holiday, my friend. This is Chantal. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.
So now you took all the color, the rolled